Alright everybody, welcome to the Riff Mountain. We're gonna get thick in here with the Thickener from Thick Electronics. I've been having a lot of fun with this pedal and I really want you guys to check this out. I absolutely love this pedal. This is crazy, the Thickener. We're gonna put a little reverb on this from the Super Crush itself. Let's see how that sounds. The Super Crush has amazing reverb, so we'll just turn the gain down on the Thickener a bit. He suggests using this through some fuzz pedals, and we know how the Riff Mountain likes his fuzz pedals, so we'll definitely be getting some doom going on with that. about Thick Electronics and the Thickener, let me know in the comments. This pedal is absolutely amazing. It really does add such a thick tone. So we're gonna turn off, we're gonna dial it back and turn it off and do some clean, and then we'll turn it back on. That was the first look at the Thickener by Thick Electronics. Again, thank you, Rick Wellbanks, for sending this in to the Rift Mountain. Lots of demos of this to come up. I also have 2 more pedals to unbox and show you guys. Trying not to kill my data, but it is so worth it because these pedals are so absolutely amazing. Go check out Thick Electronics, grab yourself the Thickener, and make that tone huge. Peace and love as always, guys, from the Rift Mountain.